Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about solid colors. So we get this question asked a lot on, can you dip a black, or can you dip a white, or can you dip my custom color, or can you dip this to color match my truck? And so the short answer is not really. So the main reason is because whenever we go and we are dipping, the dip is actually more of a texture or a pattern or some sort of look that is not a solid color. Now, theoretically, could we dip a solid color? Yes, we could, but it's just not worth it. We're just wasting our time. And so that's going to be where the dip versus the paint is going to have differences on that as well, because of course the paint is where you would actually get your solid color from. So if, for instance, you wanted to get a color match on a front bumper on a car or a truck, then you would want to have it painted. And versus if you wanted to have the front bumper on that same truck in a carbon fiber, you would either have it dipped with us or possibly even vinyl wrapped or something like that. But if you're only just wanting solid color, say you wanted it painted black, or you wanted it black, but maybe you didn't know the right terminology, the right way of looking at that is actually just painting it. And so most automotive body shops or something like that, that's where you're going to have parts like that done. Also, if you're wanting it done in, say, a wood grain or like a candy carbon or something like that, then that's where the Hydrographics comes in, because then we can help customize and give it that texture or that look or that pattern to give it a completely one-off look. So to give you an idea, whenever we are doing any of our Hydrographics work, we're always having to properly prep it out and then prime it and then paint it and then dip it and then of course clear coat it afterwards. And so if you're only just wanting solid colors, we take the dip out, we paint it whatever solid color that you want, whether it be black or white or color match or anything like that, and then of course clear coat it like normal and everybody's happy. But there is no Hydrographics actually involved in that process compared to if you're wanting, say, a candy carbon fiber or you're wanting some sort of wood grain, then the process is still the same, but we are now adding back in the Hydrographics. So we have the primer, we have the paint, and then we have the Hydrographics to give it that look. And then we come back, we add our clear coat for everything to look all nice and shiny and give it a really good durability, scratch resistant, just like a car's exterior finish. So of course, with a solid color, you can pick whether you want a flat, a satin, or a gloss. And just like on the Hydrographics, you can do the exact same thing. So whether you wanted to black out a car or do some sort of carbon fiber, you can do that both in a flat finish, satin, gloss, or even anything in between. You can do all of those things. But saying that you're wanting to have the Hydrographics as a solid color, that's probably not going to sound exactly proper. Could you do it? Yes, you could, but you're just, again, wasting time and money that it's just not needed. So if you're just wanting a black part, then it's gonna be painted. If you're wanting a look or a texture or a pattern, it's gonna have the Hydrographics on it. And then after that, apply it with whatever clear coat that's needed, whether it be a flat clear, a gloss clear, or anywhere in between. And now you've got a good looking part, whether it be painted or with the Hydrographics. So hopefully this video has helped you guys out on, can you actually dip a solid pattern in the Hydrographics? Technically, yes, we could, but we're just wasting our time. And let's be honest, nowadays, nobody wants to waste more time than what they have to. So hopefully if you found this video helpful, this will help you out in trying to search for, can you hydro dip a solid color? And now you're going to know the answer to that. Also, if you're interested in getting into the Hydrographics, or you're wanting to possibly explore more options on maybe doing it yourself, check out the links in the description below. We're gonna have links to the website that has everything that you're gonna need for the hydrographics, or maybe even if you just want to do a solid color, you can use those same materials to do those solid colors as well. So definitely check out those links in the description below. If you liked the video, definitely hit the like button, as well as if you're interested in more of these videos, hit that subscribe button. We'd always love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips on everything hydrographics related. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.